Hi everyone, and welcome to another time-saving tip with man versus AI. In this video I have two clips, one man-made, the other created by a text-to-video application. Let's have at it. Today man and AI will be discussing how to navigate up, down, left and right with just a few mouse clicks in Excel. In this Excel worksheet I have a table of data. Currently I'm in cell A2 and I need to get the bottom of column A. I'll hover my mouse on the border between the cell I'm in and the cell below it, and when my cursor changes to a four-pointed arrow, I'll double-click. Wow, before you know it, I'm taken to the bottom. To get back up, I'll hover my mouse between the bottom cell and the cell above it. When my cursor turns to a four-pointed arrow, I'll double-click, and I'm back to the top. To move left and right, you guessed it, I'll hover between the left cell and the right cell on the border, and when my mouse turns to a four-pointed arrow, I'll double-click and move to the right. To return back home, I'll double-click between the last cell and the cell before it, and I'm back home. Use this tip to save yourself a lot of time. If you like this tip and want to see more like it, subscribe to my channel and tap the like button. To be notified when more tips are posted, tap on the bell icon. Now let's see what AI can do.
Do you want to navigate Excel faster? Imagine having the ability to move from the top to the bottom of your spreadsheet, then back to the top, and from left to right in a flash. Today, we'll unlock the secrets on how to do just that, using the four-pointed arrow. First, have an Excel sheet ready. The more data, the better. The magic starts when you click on the first cell of the spreadsheet. This is usually the A1 cell, found at the very top left corner of your sheet. Now, take a moment to notice the cursor. Upon clicking on a cell, it transforms into a thick white cross. This is your standard Excel cursor, but it's not the one you need right now. Here's where the magic happens. Move the cursor to the border of the cell. Notice how it changes into a four-pointed arrow? That's your ticket to lightning-fast navigation. To zip straight to the bottom of your data, double-click on the border below the cell. Just like that, you're at the bottom row. No scrolling, no dragging, just a swift double-click. But what if you want to go back to the top? Easy. Double-click on the border above the cell, and there you are, back at the top row. Now, let's go from left to right. Click on any cell in your chosen row. When the four-pointed arrow appears, double-click on the border to the right of the cell. Just like that, you're at the farthest right cell in your sheet. To go back to the left, double-click on the border to the left of the cell. In summary, navigating through Excel is as simple as a double-click. Click on the cell, wait for the four-pointed arrow, and double-click in the direction you want to go. Down to go to the bottom row, up to return to the top, right to zip to the farthest cell to the right, and left to return to the first cell. With this trick, navigating Excel becomes a breeze. No more endless scrolling or dragging, just a swift double-click. Now go ahead, give it a try, and see how much time you can save.
Man and AI agree that this is a valuable tip to save you a lot of time navigating in Excel. Now it's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.